Your home insurance renewal just arrived, and somehow it's another $600 more than last year. You haven't filed a claim. Nothing about your house changed. So why are you paying more? Here's the surprising part. Most homeowners don't overpay because they're bad shoppers. They overpay because they never shop at all. Today, one simple annual habit that could help you pay a fairer price without reducing your coverage. If you've ever opened a renewal letter and just paid it without a second thought, this is for you. Subscribe to Community Living for practical homeowner education. No drama. Insurance prices aren't fixed. Companies constantly adjust rates based on weather losses, rebuilding costs, inflation, and their own business strategy in your area. Your renewal isn't automatically the best price available. It's just the offer from the company you already have. And here's the part most people don't expect. Insurance companies compete hardest for new customers. That means new customer pricing is often more competitive than renewal pricing. That doesn't mean you should switch insurers every year. It means you should compare every year. Those are two very different habits. Here's a simple routine you can repeat every year. Set a reminder about a month before your policy renews. Get at least 3 quotes, using the same coverage limits and deductibles for each one, or you're comparing different products instead of different prices. Then compare more than the premium. Look at dwelling coverage, liability protection, your deductible, and whether you have true replacement cost coverage. The cheapest policy isn't always the best value. You're looking for comparable protection at a better price. And pricing, discounts, and availability all vary by state and insurer, so your own numbers may look different from anyone else's. Before you renew, ask your insurer one simple question: what discounts am I missing? You might qualify for savings based on a monitored security system, a newer roof, bundling your home and auto policies, a claim-free history, or simply paying automatically. Every insurer offers something different. The important thing is to ask. Most of these discounts aren't applied unless you request them. Trying to save money by lowering your coverage limits can cost far more later. Instead, review your deductible and confirm your replacement cost estimate still reflects today's rebuilding costs, not what your home was worth when you first bought the policy. Saving a little today isn't worth discovering you're underinsured after a major loss. Here's the routine to repeat every year. 1. Get 3 quotes using identical coverage limits and deductibles. 2. Compare dwelling coverage, liability, and replacement cost, not just the premium. 3. Ask your insurer directly what discounts you qualify for. 4. Update your policy after any major renovation or expensive purchase. 30 minutes, once a year. That's the whole habit. Most homeowners can't control what insurance companies charge, but you can control whether you accept the first offer. Shopping your insurance every year isn't about chasing the cheapest price. It's about making sure you're paying a fair price for the protection you actually need. Subscribe to Community Living for practical homeowner education. No drama. If you've saved money by shopping your own insurance, tell us in the comments. Your experience might help someone else. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.